Hey y'all, I'm Alex and I'm teaching the Linux engineering course, which is really kind of more of a club. So we can talk about things like Raspberry Pi is pretty common for Linux, or the new Steam Deck also runs Linux. That's a popular thing that we can talk about, kind of how it works, and we can talk about the history of Linux and what the different applications are for it compared to Mac and Windows, for example, what its kind of strong points are. And as far as something like Raspberry Pi goes, like I've got one of these little guys right here, what kind of projects you can do with these and what they're good for, and we can kind of put some stuff together, tinker and work on stuff together. Or we can talk about, yeah, games on the Steam Deck and kind of how that interpretation there goes from running like Windows games on Linux. How does that work using Wine or other things of that nature? So, yeah, we can kind of take it in whatever direction y'all are interested in. But yeah, it's just kind of a time and a place to talk about Linux and learn more about it. And I'm excited to meet all of you and have some fun conversations and maybe make some cool projects too. So, looking forward to it.